Welcome to my channel, India to Malaysia on Digital Nomad Visa. In this video, we will be discussing about how to apply for Digital Nomad Visa and fill MDEC application form, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit MDEC website and click on Sign Up. Step 2. Register yourself. Step 3. Select Digital Nomad, Foreign. Step 4. MDEC will list all eligibility criteria. Step 5. Identify your category as remote worker or freelancer. Once you click Next. Step 6. There are 9 pages needed to be completed. Let's go one by one. Section A asks for personal detail. You have to put your personal information like name, email, etc. It also asks for residential address, emergency contact, social media information. Section B asks for your passport details as shown below. Please fill correct details of your passport. Section C asks for the type of pass you are applying for. You can refer the screenshot to fill the form. Section D will ask you for your academic information and qualification. Section E will ask you to fill all your previous employer details. What is the name, when did you join, and other information. Section F will ask you for sponsor details. For all the Digital Nomad, MDEC will be the sponsor. So for now, you can select MDEC if you see it as an option, or keep it blank. After they check your form and approve it, then comes the question of sponsorship, and then MDEC will guide you how to do it. It's simple, just have to fill form and pay fee. Section G is all about dependents information. If you are planning to bring your family to Malaysia, then you can fill their details here. Finally, Section H. Here, you have to upload all the documents that are requested by MDEC. Make sure you are uploading the correct documents, otherwise they will reject it and ask you for correct documents. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.